What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to start a 1980 Yamaha QT50. It is a very easy process, but if you miss one step or do something a little off, you won't be able to start your bike and you will end up extremely frustrated. Trust me, I know. That's why I'm making this video. So with that, let's get right into it. And let me show you how to start a 1980 Yamaha QT50. First things first, you're going to go ahead and put your key into the start position. Not the run position, but the start position. Once you do get the bike fired up, you can go ahead and switch this to the run position. But to start, we're going to put it on the start. Next, on the right side of your handlebars, you'll have the kill switch. You'll want that right in the middle. That's your run position. Now let's go ahead and turn on our gas to either on or reserve. We have a full tank, so we're going to go ahead and put this on. Now on the left side of your handlebar, you have your choke. Go ahead and put that all the way. If that comes back a little bit, that's totally fine. Once we start the bike over, let this run for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then go ahead and take your choke off. And now all that's left to do is kick your motor over, and you should be good to ride. So there you guys go. That's how you start a 1980 Yamaha QT50. We're actually going to be doing an oil change next on this bike. And if you'd like to see that, go ahead and click that video right up there in the top right corner. And if anything else, if this video was helpful, feel free to click the like button down below. And if you enjoy mopeds in general, hitting that subscribe button. So with that, guys, hope the video helped. And as always, ride safe.